how to fix Valorant FPS drop problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here game mode. Now enable game mode, go to Xbox game bar, disable it, go to graphics settings, and now just turn on this option here. Now close this window. After that, right click on Valorant, go to properties, and here go to compatibility. You will find it like that. Wait, you will find it like that. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just disable enable run this program as an administrator, and then click apply and OK, and that's it. Now restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, try to launch Valorant again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just open here and right click on all the applications that you don't need and close it, like Wallpaper Engine, close it, and also OBS, close it. And I hope that can help you. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.